This tutorial will show you how to add a PDF into an Epi site, link it to either a rich text block or a link card block. So I'm going to start out with a PDF that is well named in the way you want the link to be formed. And this is the way the title will become what is found in search. So avoid using things like Max's Draft 1-November 20th- version 2. Rather have it named something in plain language, clear language, and describes what that is. So here is iSupplier vendor request form. That's well formed. I download it into my computer or my desktop out of my email or Drive, Google Drive. And now it's sitting here in my computer. And I've selected over here on the right side in Episerver, I have selected the media tab, and then the doc folder under my documents, which is under training right now for this instance. I'm going to drag over the PDF into here. You could also click the upload button and go navigate it. And there it is. You always add more by clicking the plus here, or you can drag in like whole bunches of them. So whatever you need to do. I just dragged one in. There it is. It's named well. Now I need to link it somewhere. So I'm thinking I'm going to grab a page over here. I'll try my test general detail page, and we're going to open that up and edit this thing. And we're going to pick some place in here to just as a test. I'm going to go ahead and drag it in here and link it in there. So I can just drag with this window open, the media window open. I can drag it over and just drop it in. And there it gives a link right to it. I can even format that if I wanted to, just a little fancy formatting. I could delete that PDF, click on that link, go to formats, and make it look like a button. Kind of cool, huh? We can also highlight words on the page already, click the link button, and now I want to navigate somehow to that media. It's a media file. Now I'll go in here. I can actually type in the vendor request form if I know what it's called, and I have several of them, unfortunately, but it's okay. I will just pick one of these, and if you know what it's called, then it's good. There it is. I did pick the right one. And there we go. Click OK. It's linked there, and there is a link right there on delayed opening. So that's how you do it into a rich text field. Now, what if you wanted to do it on a link card, which is those cards that you click on the home page or something, or on a page card, a partial page view? Both of those would work by creating a page on the left side that redirects to the PDF. That way you can make it look like a page, but actually the link is going to the PDF. So to do that, you would click on your folder, your top level page really, click on new page, just pick landing page, you don't need anything fancy, and click and title it whatever it really should be, vendor, whatever you want the title to be in search form. And click OK on that. And now I'm not going to drag any content in here. I'm just going to link it to that PDF. So I'm going to click on Settings, go to Manage the Shortcut. The shortcut is essentially where it goes. Right now it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to link it to another content item because I have a content item in my media, my content asset pane. So here we go. Click on that little ellipsis. There I'm going to go to For All Sites because it's going to be For All Sites means it is for it's media up here. I'll go to my training folder. I can always search for it like I did before. And I will go to my training, and my test docs is in here. And there's my iSupplier vendor request form. Click OK. That looks good to me. Click Save. I'll publish this. And there is the publication of that. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on a link card block. So now I have a page there, which I could just drag into any page I have. So if I wanted to do something fancy here, I could take my general detail page I was doing there before, and I could just drag in that vendor request form page and just drag it over here, drop it in, hopefully. There we go. So I drag that in. I'm going to just change the width of that, maybe to half width, and publish that. And then I can see what it looks like. I could have done it also in a different way, but So let's scroll down here and we can see there's a half width card here, partial page view really. You can actually put an image in there and make it look like one of these, but I didn't put an image in there, so it's just showing the text, and you can actually put a summary in it too. And click on that, and there's my PDF. Shows up very well. So it's a partial page view. You can also do a different view. You can actually do a link card block. So let's create a link card block for that PDF. So again, I'm going to go over here to my blocks folder. I'm going to go into my training, so I know where it's at here. And let's do under Max here. We'll do a new block. And we'll call LC-vendor registration. And we'll choose a link card. And then I'll put my text in here, which will be the supplier vendor request form. I'll make it like an expanded version. And the link is going to be actually the page create that redirects to shortcuts to the PDF. I'm just going to drag that in from the left side page navigation and click publish. Now I have a link card. I need to put it somewhere. I'm going to pick my office page again. I'll go and just click on that office page on the left pane, go to the right pane, pick up that link card, drop it in. Let's make that half width also. And we'll publish that. We will take a look at it now. Under here, refresh this page. And here, this is the partial page view. I know that the link card looks very similar, but you see this little line underneath it. You can do some more things with that one. Click read more, and it shows you that PDF. And that's all there is to it.